Hi everyone, once again welcome back to my channel. So SBI JA notification has been released and prelims will be held in February, but we don't know the specific date. So let us consider that prelims will be held in first week of February. Based on that, we have just 40 to 50 days of time for preparation. So here let us quickly understand how to utilize this time and prepare for the exam. All you need to do is every day you have to give a specific time for each and every subject. So here I'll be telling you how to divide your day and how to plan for each and every subject, and from where you have to practice the questions and from which sources you can refer for each and every subject. So here first thing is, in this 40 to 50 days of time, most of us will be preparing only for prelims, but if we clear prelims, next thing will be our mains. In mains we have current affairs, reasoning, quantitative aptitude, and computer and English. So here we'll be preparing for English, quantitative aptitude and reasoning, but for current affairs it will be very difficult to manage after prelims. So what you will do is, from now onwards start preparing your current affairs every day. Like for this exam we need 6 months of current affairs. So for that what you can do is, every day give 1 hour of time for your current affairs and start reading your current affairs magazines, like monthly magazines, and try to memorize them every day, so that when you clear your prelims for your mains, it will be easy for you to complete the syllabus on time. So every day give 1 hour of time for your current affairs. And now coming to the main thing, that is for prelims. First let us take English. So in English we have 30 questions for 30 marks. Here in English we get questions related to reading comprehension, error spotting, word swap, sentence rearrangement, clause test, fill in the blank, sentence improvement and all. So in this, for reading comprehension we get 8 to 10 marks of questions, which is very important. So in order to master this reading comprehension, every day try to do 2 sets of reading comprehensions, either from your mock test or you can go for editorials also. Try to practice at least 2 sets of comprehensions every day. And now coming to error spottings. So error spotting can be done when you know the rules of grammar. So here everyone will recommend you to go for 120 rules of grammar by Nimsha ma'am. So what I would tell is, if you have already watched that video, you can revise that, or else if you haven't watched it and you don't have time to watch it, or if you feel like you want to read that rules completely, then you can go for SB Bakshi book, and under um, every topic, like under each chapter of parts of speech, you will be seeing some rules that are given. So these rules will be helpful to solve error spotting questions. So either do 120 rules of grammar by Nimsha ma'am, or follow SB Bakshi book, where in each chapter at the end you can see the rules. So whichever is comfortable for you, follow that. And after reading comprehension, error spotting, the next important concepts that we see are sentence rearrangement, clause test, fill in the blanks, and word swap. So for clause test and fill in the blanks, you need to know some vocabulary, like they'll be giving one word and you have to know the meaning of the word, then only you can put that word suitably in the blank. So what I would suggest is, for all the remaining topics your vocabulary should be very good. So for that vocabulary, try to learn the root words first. So for this root words you can go for vocab prodigy book. In that book we have nearly 3000 words of antonyms and synonyms. Learn them, and every day try to read new vocabulary words from newspaper or any other sources. So if your vocabulary is good, so you can master this clause test and fill in the blanks. So this is for English. Majorly English can be covered from editorials, and it can be done by 120 rules of grammar or SP Bakshi book, and this can be covered from other books like Need to Sing, or it can also be done by repeatedly doing mocks also. So for English I think you don't need to worry, because from reading comprehension and error spotting itself you get 15 marks, and word swiping is very easy. all you need to do is just you have to practice more English. For English, with practice also you can gain easily 20 to 25 marks. So if you want detailed strategy of English, I have already given that, so you can watch that and you will understand how to score 20 plus in English. And now coming to quantitative aptitude. So for quants, our major focus should be on simplification, approximations, number series and quadratic equations. This is because from this four topic itself we will get nearly 20 marks, and these topics are very important. So every day try to solve at least 30 to 40 questions from these four topics. And also the next important one will be DI. So for DI, if you have already done it, only marks will be sufficient. If you haven't done data interpretation and you have to start now itself, then you can watch YouTube videos of Kaushik Mohanty sirs, or you can also go for Harshal sir's 365 DI. But here what I would recommend you is first try to go with the basics, like first try to complete percentages and profit and loss. After that, if you solve DI, it will be easy for you, because in DI most of the time you see percentage related DIs. Sometimes you'll get stuck with the calculation. So first try to complete your percentages, profit and loss, and then practice DI questions. And after that, the rest of the topics related to arithmetic can be practiced from Kiran's publication banking book, or you can also go for under 247 mocks. So topic wise mocks, whichever is comfortable, you can go that. And next, coming to reasoning. In reasoning, the important topics will be seating arrangement and puzzles. So these are very important. Every day try to practice at least two sets of sitting arrangement and puzzles, because most of the paper depends on them only. And after these two topics, syllogism is very important, because 5 marks or 3 to 5 marks will be coming from that itself. So every day practice 1 to 2 sets, complete set of reasoning. Wherever you find comfortable, join that mock test and try to solve every day 1 to 2 sets of reasoning completely. And now coming to the point, how to utilize the time. First thing is divide your day. Like for example, you are giving 7 hours of time for your preparation. As I told, 1 hour should be given for your current affairs, and for next 6 hours divide your day into 2 hours for English, 2 hours for quants, 2 hours for reasoning, based on your strength and weak areas. Try to devote your time for every subject, and try to finish the syllabus as much as possible early, so that you will get more time for your revision. Here for the 40 days I have just given a brief outline, so that you can understand the framework of your planning, so that you can plan your day and you can utilize the time very effectively.